So it's about dinner time, and I need something for my husband and I to eat for dinner. Geez, what is quick and easy? So something quick and easy and has changed my life is Thrive Life. And this is my Thrive Life cabinet right there. Oh, so tonight we're going to have chicken soup. I'm going to put some mushrooms, carrots, broccoli, some noodles, and let's see, I've got my chicken bouillon. I already got it out, so it's over here. Love my Thrive Life. I can have dinner ready in 10 to 20 minutes. So simple. All right, so we're going to put some mushrooms. I'm using a 1/2 cup measurer. And I'm going to put about 1 cup of mushrooms in. So that's done. We're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of bouillon. Right there, see? This is a chicken bouillon. Then we're going to do about 1 cup, 1/2 cup of the gravy rather. Put that in. Good flavor, very good flavor. We're going to put in a little bit of the butter powder, about half of a 1/2 cup, so that'd be 1/4 cup. All right, then we're going to add in chicken. All right, so here we add our water. This is great. I just put in, I want it to be pretty brothy. So I just judge it. I don't add and count the water and do the cups. I just fill it as full as I want it. You can see it in there. I love it. And then we're going to, we're going to put it, turn it on, get my fire rolling. That on medium, and I'm going to stir it. And let it boil. This is working out great. This has changed my life because I can cook dinner so quick, but it's healthy. No preservatives, no GMOs. Gluten-free. It's all veggies and protein. And you know what? I've lost 71 pounds. Yeah, it'll make your life better too. It's boiling. Look at that boil. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Oh, I love my chicken soup. Look at that boil up. Oh, holy moly. That looks so good. Once it boils, I usually turn the fire down and let it sit for about, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And that just simmers it and gets everything completely ready to eat and cook. So I'm going to turn the fire down all the way to low. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, you can strain it or eat it as soup. You can do it either way. Now that's worthy. Oh. Okay, it's time to do a little taste test. So I'm going to put some in a little spatula. I just want to taste the broth. Let's see how we've done. It's hot. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're going to wish you were here. Oh yeah. Okay, the chicken soup is ready. So I dipped mine in a cup. It's easier to hold, and it's not as it doesn't get hot to hold either. What do you think of that, dear?
That's good.
Ah! Dad's, hey there.
Right.
Let's get in that. Come here now. Are you going to want a bite? Or a cup or a bowl?
Yeah.
You know what he dared to ask me?
Uh-oh.
What is it you just asked me? About being old folks.
Oh. Well, I mean, it's just now 5 o'clock.
Lean in there. They can't see you.
It's just now 5 o'clock.
Well, what's that got to do with anything?
Well, I mean, folks that are older usually eat at 5.